Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD, JPY, NZD USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter and this is our beloved GBP USD. Okay, you'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So GBP USD, and you can see that 67% retail traders have taken long position and still they are continuing their long position, or they have started taking buy position hoping that GBP USD will go up. Okay, and on the other hand, 32% retail traders have taken short position. So they are hoping that the market will be going down, or they are in good profit right now. At least the condition of GBP USD is quite better in comparison to Euro USD, because you can see that Euro USD 85% traders have taken long position, and as we all know, Euro USD is standing at 52 weeks low. So there is a pathetic condition going on Euro USD, but the condition of GBP USD is quite better. Okay, and today we also have an event coming up after 8 hours. You can see the retail sales report coming up on US dollar. So if the report is positive, then yes, obviously we will see US dollar going up again, and there may be some selling on GBP USD. And on the other hand, if after the event US dollar starts going down, then GBP USD will be going up. Yesterday we saw there was a huge breakout on the chart of DXY. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then you knew it from before only that we are going to have a breakout on DXY, because I have been discussing about this breakout for quite some time. So I think that till the event there will be some consolidation on US dollar DXY, and it will be good to see how the dollar moves after 8 hours. Okay, and now let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD. Okay, so this is the Forex chart of GBP USD. You can see that clear-cut downtrend market, but watch the video carefully. But there are certain things, certain complications that you need to understand well. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about this trend, and you can clearly see that market is trading. Market is going down. Trend of the market is towards the downside. I do not need to mention that, and we have a trend line acting as a resistance for the market. So in simple words, okay, according to the general understanding, okay, if market goes up and reverses from this trend line, obviously we have a selling position, isn't it? But yesterday when US dollar went up, GBP USD did not go down. Point number one, when dollar went up yesterday, we saw GBP USD not going down. Euro USD fell sharply, but GBP USD did not go down. Plus Euro GBP USD, okay, fell here, but again it took support above 1.3410 again. If you have watched my earlier videos on GBP USD, you know it very well that 1.3410, this level was a very strong support for GBP USD, and right now GBP USD is just standing above it. So considering that these two factors, not going down yesterday, and plus when dollar made the big fat green candle not going down, and plus again taking support at 1.3410, I think that GBP USD is trying to recover here. If you look at the weekly chart, or any other time frame, then you will see that there is no support present on the market right now. But still, I am hopeful that there is a possibility of GBP USD recovering. Okay, so if GBP USD goes up from here and reverses from the trend line, yes, you can take a sell position, but be very careful. Be very careful. But after the event, if dollar starts going down, then I'm very much sure that you will see some buying on GBP USD, and I think that there is also a possibility of GBP USD breaking the trend line and going up, because right now GBP USD seems that it is not in the mood of going down. Try to understand the market psychology here. So things are quite positive for GBP USD in comparison to Euro USD. Okay, so wait for the event. I think that GBP USD will be going up if the event if dollar starts going down, but taking a sell position right now, if GBP USD reverses also, I think that that will be quite risky. Until and unless price has the support of volume, taking a sell position here will be a risky decision. So please avoid, and if possible wait for 8 hours and let's see. Okay, and my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program. Okay, it's loading. In the Pro Trader program, I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I am also sharing live signals, 1 or 2 signals daily. If you want to become a part of the Pro Trader program, just go to my website and you'll find all the information here. What is the Pro Trader program? What are the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program? Plus, everything. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.